On Thursday, February 21st, we're hosting a workshop, and it starts at 6:30. And this workshop will be held on site at a beach property that is currently being converted from a single family home to a luxurious triplex. So at this workshop, what we're going to be teaching you is the following. There's a new strategy called One and Done that I'll be sharing with you that I'm very excited about. And we also have Jeff Reed back. He's back with a vengeance. He's back in the trenches. He's going to be renovating. He's actually renovating this project. And what he'll be showing you is the costs involved of a project like this. And we're currently in the stage of fire separation. So we will be showing you and teaching you about fire separation as well. This other speaker we have is Adam, our architect. What he'll be telling us and teaching us is the legalization process and the importance of it. And another important factor that we'll be talking about is development fees. And apparently not many people understand or know the development fees that are involved with converting a single family home into a triplex. So we'll be sharing that information with you, which is very valuable. So what you have to do now is you have to register through EventBrite, which is in the email below. And I look forward to seeing you there on February 21st.